was so dark.
What you doing over here?
Oh God, no. We were doing some tuning with Kevin. Talking about look everything. I think it's at a fuel pump. So I'm gonna add my 650. I know, dude. I thought one MagnaFuel 750 would do it.
You know what that means? Most plus time.
I could throw most plus on there. It'd be good. It's just like it's dropping off just a hair, but it was pulling fuel out, so I think it should be all right. Holly's correct and everything's good. Power coming a little sooner. We're gonna start a little bit further back with a hotter burnout. So then I'm coming for their ass. All right, we ready? We're ready.
Kevin said he's done tuning your car.
What?
He's done tuning it. Cornbread and Sammy are mad that he's tuning both cars, so they're going to call out on Monday.
You know, if that's what has to happen, I'll come in here and do the machine work for Kevin.
Bring your sledgehammer.
Yeah, I'll bring my hammer and I'll bring my my die grinder, my deburr, my whiz wheel.
Hammer and whiz wheel. That's all
Hammer
you
and
need.
whiz wheel. I can build a whole damn motor. I'll make a hit and then we're running.
Negotiate without me.
All right, we're running. We're running from the other light pole.
Oh no, you gotta talk to my driver.
Oh my God. Other light. We'll start further back.
Okay. Then we gotta go through that shit. Yeah.
Well, right as your power's coming in, it'll be hooking even more. My tires up there.
We'll have you covered before that.
What lane do I get though?
You ain't getting our rubber. My rubber.
All right, so we're gonna start from the other light pole. We just gotta go slow enough before he gets to the dip.
I'll take it back a light pole.
That's what I'm saying. We're gonna go back one, or we can go back more than one. See if
Professional be a boat. That's what I do.
is that a sponsor? All right, does that work? Do you guys want to make a hit from further back and see how it goes?
We'll make a hit on the Virgin seat.
Kevin's tuning my stuff though, so I don't know. You gotta find.
Me and Sammy done took care of that.
Yeah.
You good?
All right.
Good. Monday if it's tuning you.
You need me to bring my whiz wheel Monday? He'll be already decking every block. All right, that works.
Yeah, so y'all go down there and hit one, and we'll come back, and then we'll go hit it.
All right, that works.
We go down at the same time.
No, we space it out. I don't want them seeing how fast I load.
We got coverage. You know, we got like a 2-hour time window here.
Yeah.
You know, our producers, I only get 2 hours.
Well, we get a hit too.
Yeah, you get a hit, but we gotta
You trying to shut us out of our hit?
No, you guys can have it. It's your road. It'll be my road after, but we just gotta figure out. We gotta figure out where the finish line is.
We'll have to call City Hall and let you rename it.
But you won't have to worry about the finish line, because you're going to let out, I promise you.
No, I'm being. Listen, I've been sandbagging this whole time. I'll come back to you.
You better get some more things.
and I was trying not to laugh like mid pass.
I was ready.
I got the zoom in when you threw your arms up.
I was trying not to laugh. I'm like, hey, wait, were you standing on the top end?
Nah, he was on. Yeah.
It looked good up there.
Sound good.
Did you hear like the last one? Like,
It just sounds like the same RPM. Like when you let off after about 100 foot, it's like.
So, I reckon we're just gonna race.
Huh?
We're just gonna race.
Y'all don't even want no? Wow, that's disrespectful. What lane y'all want?
Well, I figured the more we wait, the sun should be going down. So
It's like noon.
just get ready.
The sun's going down to
Get your-
2:30.
You know yours.
I'm gonna put a
yours.
bottle in. I gotta pull a plug out.
Well, ain't no rush. Cool it down. We'll down.
Gotta do a damn plug change thing.
We can flip for lanes.
It don't matter. Oh, I don't know if y'all wanted to not go through the sludge.
After you went, you caught half of it,
Yeah.
and I went and checked it right after that. Like it really ain't that bad.
No,
I think
it's
we'll be going fast enough. by the
where
time
it's
we
not
get
gonna
there.
matter.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll probably be out of it with the hazards on, just being like, all right, getting ready for this corner. So it's tight though.
No, I'm sure.
There's not like, cause after that first pass, I went back and I had a damn tire mark right on the yellow
You
line.
never raced on the street like this.
Not that
I haven't
narrow.
either.
There's usually a big concrete divider and a light thing in the way.
You hear some shit that sounds like fenders colliding, we're wrecking.
All right, wait, what lane do I get?
So who's doing what? Which one do you need? Yeah, who's going down first?
Either or.
Either or. Think you need.
We're gonna get. We'll give you the right lane.
I'm gonna
say. Nah, we'll give you the left lane.
I'm
I'll
gonna
take the
say
left
I
lane.
want his car to go down on rubber.
Hold on. Which way are we talking about going?
All right, I got one rule. No one be standing on the side of the damn road. Like, everyone get like, no one be running on the side of the road either. Yeah, but like everyone like, get on the other side of the ditch just in case.
What about the barbed wire?
Stay on the other side of the barbed wire. No, I'm just kidding.
What's our flag guy gonna do?
Skinny, what are you gonna do?
Like the last place we were.
Hey, look here.
He does that in work, dude.
All right, hold on. Let's get this figured out in the driver's meeting. Are you
Tell me
bumping?
what y'all want me to do.
Pull me to the line, and I'm good to go. And then you could bump. Then you could bump Sammy in.
Okay.
Because he's going to want to build boost. So I'll pull on, I'll grab the brake. So you pull me forward, I'll stop, grab the brake, and then you can wave Sammy on. Once he bumps, a couple steps back, bang the light, good to go. Out of there.
Take it easy on us, man. We knew of this.
Runs over the car.
Hey, who's that bum that stole the dump truck?
All right, well, we got to figure out where we're running to also.
I'm just gonna, you just roll forward one time.
At the road. If we're gonna race back there, where they
wanna
gonna
run
park
to
it?
the road?
To the road.
Okay, because I don't want to go like into the ditch, into the like the little.
If you roll in, you're ready.
We ain't going that fast.
I know we ain't going that
fast.
fast.
Roll and stop. I'm gonna roll him with
I got one in between the seats. We'll just run to the road. I got quick access.
What do we got on this? Free machine work for the rest of the year.
Oh, dude, everybody here loses money.
That's what Kevin said.
Kevin, I bet he didn't. Better get that right.
Okay, I have it in text. I gotta find. Hey, you said it. You text me. You said if I win, I got free machine work for the rest of the year, right? No. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Wait, this is more important. This is more. Wait, this is more important. What are they gonna run for?
The front of the line, I guess. I ain't got no money.
I got $1 on it.
$1.
I mean, I'll take an IOU. Too.
Oh, how much?
You got cash out?
I'll get Kevin bringing money in.
There you go, $10 to the winner.
Oh.
Y'all calling him Monday.
$100.
Yeah,
Got them rings on.
Hey, that's his 100.
Well, I'm out. I don't want it.
please go tell me he's okay? I know he is. Please go get my husband. I can't walk.
That's why I would not stand right there. Oh my god.
Gotta outdo that, baby. He didn't go far off.
Damn. I wonder if John shit his pants.
Yeah, he said you got it back out. Driving out.
That's what he heard when he was
Hell yeah. Damn, I'm glad I didn't get that fire hydrant. I've been saying to him too. You go in the ditch, you better drive that bitch out.
All right, I guess we go.
Are y'all going back to the truck?
You got that on video? I do. He drove the shit out of that thing. Holy shit. That's the first thing I said. I was like, he drove shit out of that thing.
You went up, started finishing, but let off. Hell no, you stayed in it. That's over here. He was in front.
He good. I bet you he kept moving. Damn it, boy! You hit that shit.
Hey, you got to shoot and everything.
Were you dying?
No, he was out in front of me, and then he just disappeared, and I'm like, what the fuck? And then I see grass and shit, and I'm like, oh shit, and there's like a culvert there, and he comes across, I was like, damn, that could have been way worse. Oh, driver.
That spot, after he crossed over the driveway, that is one hell of an embankment, and that's when he turned left and went across
That's what I
the
said. I
field
said
to
there's a
avoid
big
that
ditch there.
Did you catch all that?
I got it. It was smoky, so you can't see a ton, but yeah, you can see it.
Who had the view from up top? I'm gonna need that.
I lost all fucking. I lost all.
I don't know how. I seen it. I was over here looking like this.
Once he goes off, I lose it though.
Oh. Hey, I think I was out in front when you crossed.
This is all I got. It's fine. My shit's gone. I had the reverse lights on.
First thing I was like, damn, he drove the shit out of that thing.
Holy
When I
smokes.
was in the ditch, it was like, I was like, damn, it's going, it's still somewhere.
It's tracking, yeah.
And then I guess right at the culvert or whatever, it picked the car up, and that's when it hit me.
Damn. I'm fired to clean up, guy.
Oh.
Well,
Hey.
When I was in the ditch, man, I'm like, man, dude, I got it. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, it's fucking staying straight, and then when they hit that little hump, it just looped.
He was telling me he watched Cars last night. You got to turn left to go right.
I turned wrong.
Dude, that was like I didn't think of that ditch being dangerous, but that's extremely dangerous right there.
it's like a 12-foot ditch over there. That thing's massive.
Right when you go through the blue right there is bad.
Well, no, it didn't lit the tires up.
Yeah, it
in the
did.
video though.
It did, and he was right there at that damn blue.
I tried to put a shoot and I grabbed the roll.
Did you get on the GoPro?
And when I went to grab it again,
It's pointed kind of
it
backwards.
was like I did that.
So I might get it.
I don't know why. I thought I was going to win that
You ain't
right.
even
You need to clean it up and at least make one more pass.
All right, testing went well. I hope, does anyone have a view from the top end? Here is look at Sammy drove. Oh my God! Look at how close. This was his tire right here. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. That's his tire. Look at how close he was to the fire hydrant. Sammy, look at how close, dude. You were all the way in there, bud.
I made that fire hydrant my bitch.
Wait, I thought you were going.
Yeah.
I can't believe it came back.
Yeah, that's where I was looking dead over
I
there.
was making adjustments, and I remember it surprising me that I'm turning the wheel and it's actually going. Because
Yeah.
I thought it was just going to run off, and there
Yeah.
I was. But
Dude, the fire hydrant, that's the scary part. Well, you were.
It released.
I wonder. It was where it unloaded.
Yeah, it unloaded.
You could see where it just unloads and then it goes.
because it's going fairly straight. I mean, obviously it's
going towards the center a little bit, but then it just kicks.
Yeah.
Damn, Sammy, look at how far over your
Whose
kids
fuck's
go.
idea was it to go back to that tough?
Yeah, I know who I don't know who thought, who would say go back further?
Who was that guy?
Hey, I was worried about y'all standing there, but if you guys all stood in Sammy's lane, you guys would have been fine.
Like,
The question is, why did you let out?
Well, I thought he was gone.
Why'd you let out?
I was scared. Listen, I was in there turning for him. I couldn't get him back.
Ron was gonna wreck himself trying to drive Sammy out of the ditch.
Oh my God. I'm gonna stand up in the truck.
Yeah, it's out the way.
I'm scared to be down here at ground level. I gotta climb up here.
Okay. I'll protect you, but yeah. If something comes this way, we're running that way.
It's far on the going.
We had her somewhere.
They're way up there.
They're all the way there.
God, they better slow down. Holy shit. Holy Oh my God.
I'm telling you, that
No.
fucking work, man. It's working.
Oh my God. All right, well, that's a wrap on this. We got a couple races in. It's a little narrow, but you know, it ain't much but honest work. Here's yo, Sammy. Hey, you got a tire mark on this piece of foam right here.
Hey, we using all we have, baby. We stay in our lane.